welcome to today's vlog. And if you're watching this and you've watched all of my other videos, I'm so happy you're still here. Today it's an exciting day for us because we have our house back. Just actually decorating the house and focusing on new furniture, new rugs, whatever it is that we're going to do next. Now we have the freedom to do it because there's no more dust floating around. There's no more nails, strips, paint everywhere. It was crazy. For today's video, we are focusing on our Christmas decoration. So to go ahead and take everything out of the garage, put it on the dining room table because I want to see everything that I have. You will see that I have a lot of the same color scheme, and the reason why is because we are celebrating Hanukkah and Christmas, and this is our first holiday together with the baby, and we just want to start a tradition and make the holidays something fun and something that Adam can remember. Also very excited to start our little Christmas collection and holiday collection overall because we didn't have anything. Most of my stuff was all pink for my previous apartment, so David is definitely glad that I got rid of all that stuff, and now we have colors that we can both love for home decorations. And I can... Oh my god, guys, so everything happened at the same time. Adam wouldn't nap. David got home, then his sister came home, then my camera died, and then I was charging it, and then I was trying to edit while my battery was charging, and then Adam woke up again, and just one thing after another, but that's how it goes, guys. So now I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, so for this year, we're going to be doing, you know, like a Christmas, Hanukkah tree and decorations. So these are some ornaments that I bought for the tree. They're beautiful. I got them from Michael's and they were on sale. I did not pay $30 for it. It was on major sale on Black Friday. So I also got these matte and silver ornaments for the tree from Big Lots. You can see the price right there. I got these really pretty ornaments too from Big Lots. So I got gold and silver because I'm going to go with the whole theme of gold, silver, white, and blue. You guys will see later on when I show you guys the tree. And then these white ornaments too. I got 2 boxes of these because we do have a really big tree. And I also, this was the last one that they had of these, but I feel like it has all of the colors together of the decoration inspiration that I'm doing. So these are the colors right here. This is what inspired me when I saw it at Big Lots of how I can use the colors and what I wanted to do for the house. So they only had 1 pack, but I got it so I could put it in a jar or in a bowl. Then these are the gold balls that we have to add that gold accent. So you can see I have the gold here, white, gold, silver, white, and then all the blues are here. These are like some candle holders, and then they bring little fairy lights inside. So it's really pretty. I don't even think we have to put a candle in it. I think that's enough. I got the wreath hangers. I got a little 2 towels for the kitchen, pillows for Hanukkah, and also this one here. That's very pretty. I got all of this, guys, from either Big Lots or Target. I didn't go anywhere else. I got this table runner. It's really pretty. That's these little houses to put them on some tables together with these trees that I got from Target. I'm sure everyone has seen them. I got these candle holders. I got 2 of them too. These little decorations. I'm probably gonna put them on the tree and around the house. And then the part that I'm most excited about is that I got this mini tree. I saw it at the dollar spot, and I saw a little girl playing with a white one, and I just could not resist. How pretty. Okay, guys, my camera keeps turning off, and I don't know why, so I am so sorry. But these are the ornaments for his tree, and I bought this little crown for him too. How cute. 2 little trees also from Target. I'm gonna put them around the house. And then these 2 here, I got them from Big Lots, and it was what inspired me to do these colors. This garland that I actually had it from Thanksgiving, but I might use it. And then here are wreaths. So the wreaths have batteries in them, and I got them at Target, and they light up. How pretty. These candles here that also turn on, I believe. These, I got them at Michael's. So I got these candles at Michael's. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, you know what? I got this at Big Lots too. This was at Big Lots. And I'm going to be using these, which I already had. And this paper right here, I'm going to wrap up all of our gifts in those. I haven't taken it out of the box yet, but this is the garland. It's 9 feet, and it lights up as well, so I'm very excited to put it on. Last thing, just a few little details that I don't think I showed you guys. I could not find all of the letters for all of us together because they were all out. I kind of waited last minute to buy everything, and I only found an A, and it's going to go on his little tree over there, on his blue little tree. These are just to make some Hanukkah cookies because we are hosting Hanukkah this year. These I found at Target, the dollar spot too. I got these fairy lights as well that have batteries in them, like a little battery pack, so I'll just use them around the house. I got the hooks for the ornaments. I got these coins for Hanukkah and a little Hanukkah plate that I'm probably going to put some cookies there. And I'm pretty sure almost everyone got this candle, but this is a candle from Trader Joe's. From Target. It smells really good, but I mainly just liked the color of it because I will put it by the kitchen. So this is everything that I got. I also ordered some stuff from Target and Amazon today, so I should be receiving it before I put the decorations up. And I am so excited to be sharing this holiday season with my little boy Adam and my big boy David. In Christmas times. Okay, so now I'm going to make a quick dinner while David is at the gym. And look at this little guy. Say hello. Say hi. Hi, papas. Hi. Hello? Yeah? It's so cool, huh? It's so cool. Oh, okay. Well, gonna break your pajamas. Yeah? It's almost bedtime. Bedtime. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
Ingredients I'm going to be using for the tacos tonight. I'm gonna make some quick tacos. I have ground turkey meat that I bought yesterday. You guys saw it in my haul, my Trader Joe's haul. I have some peppers here that are already diced up, onions, a little bit of olive oil, some adobo. If you know about adobo life, then you know. Obviously some paste sauce, fajita seasoning. He's playing in the back. Fajita seasoning. And I'm going to be using these flour tortillas that I found at Target. They're low calorie and low carb. It says carb conscious right up here. And then I'll make a salad with some tomatoes, carrots, mushrooms, and spring mix.
That's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. This Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, have a good time.
This is what the final product looks like. It was delicious and super healthy. If you want the recipe, let me know. I kind of made it up as I went. And David's salad is so plain because he doesn't like tomatoes. Okay guys, so that would be it for today. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I am going to end it here because I just finished dinner and I'm waiting for David should be back from the gym any second now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give Adam a quick bath so we can put him to bed and we can have dinner. And thank you so much for watching today's vlog, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe so you can get all the alerts every time I post a new video. I'm going to keep posting every single day for Vlogmas, and I'm just so excited to keep going with this. And if you've noticed by now, I say excited a lot, but that's okay. Thank you guys. Have a good night.